one of your freshness, bro, left you for a blazer, bro.
Are you trying to expose me now?
I'm not exposing you, dog. Like, but always ususela benza bala show, bro. But anyways, bro.
Nah, bro.
But mina dog, don't for me the dog nang success. Ingumbi ala machet, bro. Lo tu wena avela bo kita. Except bro, machet ingum a green dog emzini.
Yo, I feel like I'm Zion, bro. They don't understand him in this one.
Do you understand,
bro? Except dog, I've chilled with the nigga, bro. So like for like 2 years straight.
You even did an interview, dog. One interview, I'm Zion. Shout out to Zion, bro.
Shout out to Mzika, bro. Say, bro. As you know, bro, I can't do with Kanja. You know, like as kids.
But I feel like right now, I'm Zion, so I totally respect.
Let me cook, bro. Let me cook
some shit.
Cook some like shit. I feel like, bro, you know, we're starting with Kanja, dog, and shit.
Even a beef, dog.
Man, let's ask. We're Team Mufasa or Team 3?
We are going to be honest, dog.
Who's Mufasa?
To be honest, dog, talking.
Who's Mufasa, bro? Who's Mufasa?
Who's
Trey? Who's Mufasa? Who's Mufasa? Who's Trey, bro?
Trey, dog. We are Trey. Man to talk about so ngile kamanzini nga Trey.
Then who's Mufasa, though? Who's Mufasa, though? Who's Mufasa?
No. Mufasa, don't even know, bro. I'm close to the hand, bro. She called me, bro, and told me like, hey, yo, Brantam, I just got this ticket, bro. Right now, bro, Nyasuga, bro. I'm going to my man from Skope, dog, to Uganda, somewhere out there. She even screenshot, bro. She even sent me the screenshot, bro. Like, look, Brantam.
I'm in Uganda right now.
Yeah, I'm going to Uganda. The ticket, bro, I was
saying, bro, everything is sorted.
Like, bro, like ngizama kufakazela ukuthi bro angisho ukuthi she was there.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy. Shit, bro. The boy always the king, you feel me? Inside, bro. We're always inside, bro. Shooting some crazy shit, though. Guys, like we're always inside this motherfucker. We're shooting some crazy shit. We're back with another banger, bro. Another episode in this page. The Uncut Brothers, you know what I mean? I'm not alone here. Next to me is my boy JR, you feel me? One of my homies, bro. You know what I mean? Yeah, dog. He's with us. The Uncut Brothers, we do some crazy shit. Let's go.
Ola bafethu mphiwo Bantam mfana ka home tukola religions mfana lapha mfana sesibiki siboyile again. Njengoba shito umnakethu always stay ukuthi the Uncut Brothers siboyile episode 3 right?
Yeah, episode 3.
Episode 3, bro. We inside indoors. Yeah, as you can see, bro. Fly as hell. Back again. Yeah.
Bro, the only thing that I fuck with, bro, is the colors, though.
Colors.
Hey, but like, I'm sorry, bro, to
say your shit, bro.
But like, yeah,
say your shit.
Yeah, I feel like, bro, these colors are crazy.
Yeah.
Like, dog, bro. The colors are crazy. We're matching this motherfucker.
Yeah.
The drip game. We're gonna bring this shit on the streets, bro.
Yeah.
We've started, bro. Like, say, like, we're pushing as fuck.
Yeah.
We're dripping as hell. We're in front of the cameras. We have to be in front of the cameras, bro. Cause dog, niggas, bro, are lacking, bro. Niggas are fun behind the camera, bro. And my nigga, bro, say they are lazy as fuck, bro. I don't know what's the problem. What's the problem, bro? Niggas are lazy as hell.
Njengoba ngihlezi ngikutshela mfana sekhaya ukuthi the main reason dog ukuthi bangene interest now.
Yeah.
Ukuthi dog ilula na uyikhuluma. Ilula na uyikhuluma mfana olweni. Asesihlala phansi uyeni. Dangivisa.
Easier said than done.
Yeah.
Shit, crazy.
People Bantam in this speech, I'm begged to be here.
You have to.
Yeah, I'm begged to be
bro,
here,
like
bro.
You say, dog accelerate at the shit like super, bro. You know, like I've been wondering, bro. Bro, Hans, dog, like Hans is funza now, dog. It's school, bro, like
no more funza.
You don't funza now, dog.
It's school, you mean high school, ma
Limco, dog.
Yeah, varsity.
Yeah. Bro, like you're getting the same allowance and shit.
Mm-hmm.
But like, bro, how come when you are Nyalo doggy, so say Cape Town, bro, in a hotel, bro. But the doggy slap on out. How come, bro? When a dog is a Santino, no, so a Cape Town. What do I initially, bro? I've been wondering.
Okay, mina lengakusho mfana, lengakusho mina ngisola ukuthi lamache bro. Let's say agrende emzini.
Yeah.
Inkume mache dog agrende emzini. Inkume mache agrende emzini.
Nah, bro.
Wala ekuse nginebadala ngephandle bro. Nginebadala ngephandle.
What do you mean? Bro,
Uthi wena
yeah, bro. You can't see there are few people that are rich. There are few people that live the life that you want to live.
Yeah.
So which means, bro, you can't say, bro, wongomulo se university, bro. Can you go back then? What the fuck you mean?
Okay, man, when ucabanga ukuthi kuze bavele sebavele base Cape Town kubangelwa yini, bro? Nokuba kwakho. Kadade you've got something to tell us, bro.
Bro, bless us in fact. Bless us in shit.
Yeah.
These bitches have blessed us, bro.
All of them. Shout out to those girls, bro. Abalema blesser. Apakuchu nami kube ngicherry. Engane blesser yami, bro. Izaba yendlala, hayi ngeke. Hayi nani. Kahle.
But bro, I don't understand this shit.
When ukhalisa ukuthi sengithula. Bro, ukhalisa ukuthi one of your freshness, bro.
Yeah.
Left you for a blazer, bro. Usho la bro.
Are you trying to expose me now?
I'm not exposing you, dog. Like, but ngathi buta ukuthi always ususela lenzaba la ishogo, bro.
Yeah.
But anyways, bro.
Nah, bro.
But mina dog ngongivumele dog nangisekuseni.
Yeah.
Ingumbi yala mache bro lothi wena avela ko Cape Town. Except bro mache ingumbi a green dog emzini. Bro, mina mache akithi ngiyawa check. Mache akithi bro, they are willing to spend on lolo munye chelo wakithi rather than spending on game.
Oh,
which means sisabona ka grand
your nigga like rather than spending
like ngese ngama siblings, bro.
Yeah.
Uthi bosisi bakho bayithungu wena just like me.
Yeah.
Lo sis lo kulula kuye ukuthi dog aspende kulo sis lo munye rather than ukuthi aspende kuwe. Like bro, believe me dog. Fine, I know ukuthi hoes are hoeing out there. Hoes are hoeing out there. But the fact that but you need to understand, bro, who's say most of these hands, bro, are grand emzini, dog.
Most of them.
Yeah.
Most of
them. Did I say most of them?
I understand. Yeah. Understand. La machera are grand emzini.
Uthi olwele manje emkhulu. Uthi olwele emachera. Majority yini ukuthi kahle kahle ngiyive question yakhe. Uthi yini machera aphili lifestyle lesetulu while sele evasithi sihola the same small allowance and shit. Yebo usho njalo. Ngase ngihambe ekseni ngithi mina incumbi yabo umshana bro ba grand emzini. They are being supported besides emachini.
Hanis bro.
Manzi phela.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm saying
bad lifestyle.
Bad lifestyle. Ngiyo la balethele man.
Obvious.
Ngilebe nto ngisho ukuthi akolweli ukuthi why olweli na angasho ukuthi ufuna ukuthini. Hayi ngisho ukuthi wena shale mnake ukuthi ufuna ukuthini.
Because hayi yasemzini. Yeah. Yakusena ba right emzini.
Yeah.
Yeah, ukuthi ba right emzini bro. Guys, I don't fuck with the idea that my nigga is saying ukuthi bonke my hands are grand emzini. Fuck the shit. Bro, I was telling my nigga ukuthi there are few people that are rich, bro. There are few people that live impilo lengazuthi dog like nawe ehawukela ngayihawukela lapho click pass, bro.
Ngiyavuma mina hands are hoeing out there but khona laba grand emzini and always steam ngiyathi ngafuna ukuthini nethi angadi ukuthi uvideo yini asho bekafuna kusho yabo but to be honest bro mina I know now dog nami mhleke how is a hand affording, bro? Let me make an example. An Air Force One, dog.
Yeah.
In Air Force One Pro, like one is 2.5.
2.5 is fuck.
Lab allowance is 1 point. How much? 1.8.
1 point. The allowance is like 2K.
2,000.
2K now.
You have to live on that shit. Let take a name.
For to come and take in part. Come and take come and rent, bro. It's a bro, like then for our book, like in a way, bro, like I feel like in my hands, bro, meaning like okay, I admit, man. But do you admit, bro? Hands, bro, like they are superior to us.
Superior.
Oh, okay, nah. Okay, ma'am. Okay, I'm saying like, do you agree with the hands? they are good with like manipulation and shit. Mind games, bro. Hence they can read you, bro. The first day you meet they meet you.
Yeah, ngiyakuvumela lapho bro.
What does that mean, get dog? What does that mean, bro? Hence they can manipulate you, bro. First day they know you, dog.
Kahle kahle usho ukuthi wena ufakazela ukuthi Hans they can manipulate you into you doing what they want.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying, bro.
Yeah, those are fakes, bro.
Mina, bro, you had this song as eraser in, bro. So as I'm eraser the fact was, bro. You saying, bro, many hands are kind of grand. Fuck that shit.
Mina ngiyadok, I was just covering up. Okay, to be honest, I was just covering up. I know you hands out there are hoeing, but njengoba ngishito ukuthi nami if I was a hand,
yeah,
bro, ngicabanga nginematong lang 25. So matong but to be honest, bro,
you'll be hoeing as fuck.
Okay, I'll be hoeing as fuck. Yeah. Shout out to the hands out there, bro, panding and shit.
Bro, I'm not saying anything bad on the honeys and shit, bro. Like, I'm just curious, like say. I've been curious as fuck. And I've been like, I know who's my nigga, bro, but I had the shit there. But it is what it is, bro. It is what it is, bro.
Ngutshelile dog ngathi kule episode le bro ngitele kucabana nebantu ngcuma
Type shit.
Yeah.
Tell me, bro. Tell me, bro. Tell me.
Ngiyakuyeng dog vele kuse vela ngiva kahle. Yabonga.
What's happening?
Ngifuna kudisa abantu la. Khona la ngabathi ngigcina amaqhi nimtshele ukuthi ngidambamba. Lento yakhe ekushutha ngathi akashuthi.
Yeah.
Shout out to Gcina Amaqhi, bro. Say our cameraman dog always behind the lens, bro. I fuck with you, bro. Say shout out, say yeah, bro. I wanna say we appreciate you a lot, bro. Shit like that, bro. Yeah. We gotta focus on my hands. Hey, ngoba maqhi. Yeah, my dog.
Bro. Ngeke dog.
Oh, lokunye bro ngaze ngekhashana. By the way, dog now hlezi udibuta ukuthi kusena ngisespeak or nangisenthonjeni or nangisemathamo around the speaker ho such. Now udibuta dog kwaho ukuthi kuse ungahulapha hairstyle legreen. Ungahesitate dog fika ka set co dog. Ka set konthonjeni ufune VJ bambita ngambuso. Dakushaya haircut le fresh ube fresh njenga bantam dog. Every time everywhere dog. Now serious utakula mbuso dog. Yabo as low as $40, bro.
You see,
shout out to Mbuso, dog.
Shout out to
doing
Mbuso,
his work.
The best barber, bro.
Yeah, for sure.
Cause like, bro, very like, I'm gonna be honest, bro. There are so many niggas, bro, in Babana dog, who doesn't know how to, bro. Abaguadi dog. They don't know how to do a haircut in this motherfucker. They don't know, bro. Those niggas, bro, they are trash as fuck, bro. Trash.
Trash.
Those niggas are trash.
Trash, nigga. Except mina bro ngatshela wena ukuthi kwendekani. Yakubona this place khona nenzana lengale abathi kuphi ngale complex ngoyo bro. Yeah, le double story le clean. Yeah, shit like that bro. Eloko mjida wafika wangihlalisa phansi lapho kwangigokisa tinto dog. Kwangihuva nzwe. Hey bra, umshana wami wangibuta wathi manje ube yini lempeli lahloko bra.
Wena
aselekele kudlala madoda.
Akusiwe la ngitshela ngalo like you called me and you were like, bro,
badlalile
ngahula.
Ngakutshela dog.
Shit.
Oh, lokunye bra. Shout out to who's this nigga, bro? Bro. I have to say it, bro. I was scrolling online. Yeah. Shout out to Mzayoni, dog.
Yeah,
Zion the Lion, dog. Say shout out to you, my nigga. Say
bro,
Mzayon, dog. Say
yeah.
Angifuni kambe manga, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, that nigga is pushing, bro.
Pushing is
good out ngiyati dog. Good out ngiyati dog. Good out ngiyati dog. Nakangwani, dog. Especially mbabani dog le push khathi njengamzayon. Even though dog sicabane kozuza upusha nebhola. But shout out to Mzayon dog. Mzayon uyasebenza so kakhulu bro.
Bro, you know ukuthi
ngajabula dog ukuthi one day ufike emfonjeni dog sesitohlala phansi uncut brothers dog. Usixoxele kabani. Mzayon dog music, hip hop, everything dog shout out to Mzayon the Lion dog
Mzayon the Lion is motherfucker. Yo, I feel like Mzayon, bro. They don't understand him in Eswati.
Do you understand
bro? Dog, I've chilled with that nigga, bro. So like for like 2 years straight.
You even did an interview, dog. One interview on Mzayon. Shout out to Mzayon, bro.
Shout out to Mzika, bro. Bro, as you know, bro, our country dog is kanjani, dog. You know, like as kids.
But I feel like right now Mzayon so I told her respect.
Let me cook, bro. Let me cook
some shit.
Bro. Cook some like shit. I feel like, bro, you know, we're starting music kanjani, dog and shit. I feel like Mzika, bro, he deserves a platform a big platform, bro. The nigga, bro, can change a lot of lives. Mzika Mine, bro, he told me, bro, when I started doing YouTube, he told me, bro, you are the shit, man.
Yeah.
You're blind, bro.
Yeah.
You need to be good at advertising yourself.
Yeah.
Otherwise, your shit is dope.
Yeah.
And at first, bro, I'm like, bro, Mine, doggy.
Those are facts.
Yeah, I mean, dog, I was like, bro, nah, dog, niggas came because like I was new in the game. I'm still being the man.
But once you started getting tapped in online, one born
Yeah, I was
relevant.
relevant, bro. And I'm about to go to some shit local.
And he even went twice to Banele too.
Yeah. And I was like, bro, boom, let's shoot a nigga very serious, bro. Cause like, bro, very when you start something, bro, very, it's like now dog you bro.
Yeah.
When you start something, very hard as fuck.
It's hard as fuck, dog.
But in the middle, bro, everything is flowing as fuck.
But in James Zion dog.
Afaka kuzimzika.
Ungayekeli prike, sengayekeli. Mina dog ngaphula apha kuwe dog elimkokwini, you know, bro. Ngakutshela dog ngathi I've been working with LSD dog, a couple of niggas. And ngasho ngathi dog, mina vele I feel like dog you are a big brother to us dog, but shout out to you dog.
Shout out to Mzika.
Culture we push it dog, mina ngasho dog ukuthi vele unginspire ishile dog, shit like that, bro.
Mzika bro, can spot talent. Right there, bro. Mzika, bro, if I can tell you dog, what's Mzika dog? Naschila kuye bro, the nigga la dog. He was surrounded by talented niggas only.
Yeah.
Niggas with
that's
money.
Why niggas opened hands when I pull up.
Bro,
this nigga is
niggas with everything, bro. Except to get nigga like people buy cobos and shit. I'm not glazing you, Mzika. It's the respect I have for you, and I know now also you have a respect for me, bro.
Yeah, for sure.
I'm not glazing, but I'm just stating the fact, bro. Bro, a lot of people fuck with you. You deserve a lot, bro.
And the dog, I fuck with the fact that you fuck with hip hop, dog.
Yeah. You fuck with hip hop.
I know, bro.
Not even it, bro. Everything. Yeah. The nigga knows everything.
Yo, bro.
Knows everything, bro. Knows everything, bro. So it's like crazy, bro.
Yeah.
Shout out to Mzika the Lion in this page. You feel me? Shout out to Stata Magazine. You feel me? On IG.
Yeah.
Stata Magazine, this motherfucker. Shout out to them.
Yo, bro.
Not to out here.
Oh, you were saying?
I
was on Facebook, bro. And
yeah.
I saw, bro, that Blakey, bro.
Yeah,
bro. He's on the top list, bro. Who push fire, bro?
Oh, shit.
Yeah,
push fire, yeah. Oh, the poster and shit.
Push fire is by the dope, right? You know, Blakey dope. That's a real one, dog.
Yeah. Like it's a real one, dog. And this nigga though, Kill Brady and shit.
Yeah.
Kill Brady. Did they release an album?
With Blake,
yeah. It's a new album.
Shout out to Blake.
It's crazy, bro.
If you are a Swazi dog who fucks with hip hop, bro, go catch Blakey, bro.
For sure.
Push fire,
Somnyama.
Yeah.
Somnyama in a head.
Mr. Platinums.
Yo, you good? You good?
I'm cool, bro.
Bro.
I'm cool.
I will.
Yeah.
But I shout out to Somnyama and this motherfucker. You fuck with the music. You pushing the culture. I'll be honest with you, bro. At first, I wasn't your fan. Like, when I see fan, I got dog at first. But like, as time goes on, once I'm convinced, I was okay. Dog, really, you deserve my attention, you deserve my respect and shit. Shout out, bro.
Yo, Mkhululi. You good?
I'm good.
I've got a question for you, bro. There's Penghan for you, bro. Yeah. Around the world. Mshana lova ngathi blind dog around the world. Starting from up there down even to Swaziland, bro. Mshana lova ngathi bro blind. Beve ukuthi kahle ngifuna bazame ukuread ingqondo ukuthi kahle iphi type yamkhululi.
My type.
Yeah. Like mshana lova ngathi uzwe for this week.
Yeah, for this week.
Yeah.
I'm going to Doja Cat.
Doja Cat is crazy.
Bro.
Shout out to Doja Cat.
Zandile, bro.
Yeah,
Zandile.
Yeah.
Mlangen.
Zandile.
She's getting old.
Mlangen. She's getting old.
She's getting
How old is she?
I don't know, but
20, 28, 21.
She's on her 20s.
Oh, bro, yeah. That bitch is not that old, bro. Probably like 28, 27, 28. Yeah, those ages. Today's 20.
There's this track of her, bro. Let's see, paint the town red. Yo,
With who?
yeah, Doja Cat.
Doja Cat on.
Yeah, it's a collab, bruh, but Doja Cat owns the song. She
Oh,
played it.
with
Yeah,
who?
it says-
Collaboration with who?
I don't remember, dog. Exactly,
yeah, yeah.
but slow size it's paint the town red. Go listen to that track, dog. It's fire. Yeah.
But
Uyabonile bekazi ba South Africa last week.
Yeah, ngibonile.
Lo sold out mathikithi be sold out.
Aloko bezigadile mbana manje. Ngive bathi naba bakhe bam-rejectile.
Bakathengile nalithikithi kuwena. Bafuna ukumrefund.
Mina nje nangive bathi Doja Cat
What
South
the-
Africa
the
ngitshela
time?
ukuthi Doja Cat to say
but like the time was he went live, watched some crazy shit. But like yeah, the time.
After
Bamjikisa
bamjikisa.
bamjikisa kule show.
But like what can get in?
Angabangena.
But it was bro. What can get in that type shit?
Mina ngakubona basanga sanga.
Yeah.
Bamjikisa bazomrefund bamisa office.
Shit.
Yena nawe live yakhe phela social kusuka bamjikisa.
Yeah. That's crazy, dude. And then the life like, did you check the life?
Yeah,
the time. Yeah. But like, what can you say, bro? I'm gonna start with you. Oh, did you check the life?
Live yalo time.
Yellow time.
Hayi nana ngayibukele ngibone nje clip.
The drama ucheckile the drama nje.
Ngibonile le drama, ngibonile.
Uthini ngaloko?
Mina lela kusho
manje Cherry bekumele ukuthi the time ayaye kahle kahle.
mina benga understand lo khathi ngi understand nyalo dog ukuthi lo Cherry nalo time they were not on good terms.
What do, bro? Mina ngekuva kwami. Ubujita uthi bro. Bekathanza way back ne. She fell in love. He fell in love with the Doja Cat and shit. She was colored. Hello, bro.
You cover guys.
Yeah. I think it's fire, bro. It's fire. Yo, guys. Technical issues in this page. Yo.
Our apologies in this video.
Now, bro, we have to. These are our people, bro.
Yeah.
These are our people. To apologies, guys, for the interruptions and shit. You feel me? Technical issues. Know the vibes. It's crazy.
Singayikashana. Back in business. Ekuse ngibone ne graduation lebekhona dog Mavuso. Uboni?
In when?
Recently, bro.
Oh.
3 days like
I see your. What is the name of this university?
EMC, bro.
AMC. Yeah.
EMC.
Because like I saw a. Hey, but I don't like crazy. Free promo. I don't like promoting people like that.
I was promoting Mundo, bro, but
Okay,
I feel like, bro, I need to say this, bro, because Guanam, bro.
Yeah.
I was shaken by that. Bro.
Yeah, but I'm saying I saw another nigga that I know.
Forget about you don't
Yeah,
have to do that, bro. Ngacabana now, bro. I was done. Yeah. When I saw, bro,
The shit, bro.
nemdala dog lothenga lomfana iGTI, bro, lemhlophe. On her
Shit.
graduation day. Bro.
Obeliyala swatini.
Yeah, kuyangwani dog. Semavuso phela lapho. Yeah.
Uthini?
It's shout out to her, dog. It's
Yeah.
shout out to her, bro. It's GTI, bro. It's a car, bro. That's a big thing. So uhloniphe kulomlo mdzala umphathe kahle umdzala because uprove leswazi wonke ukuthi uyakuthanda into yakhe yonke.
Yeah.
Ubonile, bro.
A ghetto boy.
A girl, bro.
I didn't see that shit, bro.
It was viral, bro. Like 2 days back.
A new car, bro.
Like dog, like beendeka like yo le ceremony kwa graduate blah blah
Yeah.
blah certificates and
Some other kids are lucky, bro.
then ngasibe bahamba dog only to pull out dog outside dog by the door by the main door dog khanze mawakho dog or your father dog waiting dog GTI, bro.
That's crazy.
Bro. Mayisiyabonga mawakhe kuse
That's
mina nje
crazy.
kunenge lokufunzile ukuthi shosi lomntalo lo uyayibona iveli lamfaneni wakhe akamhluphi kangaka uyamhlonipha uyamthanda.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, and the fact that was, bro, the market dog, like the parent knows, bro. They said, yo, I've been investing. Because, like, bro, I feel like parents that are investing on us.
Bro, do you take it as an investment?
How it is, bro?
Yeah, it's an investment.
Bro, I'm saying now dog must look grand. Ufuna
Yeah.
yeah, but that's investment, bro. Like, but like the investment angeke bakhombe,
Yeah,
bro.
even if it's a bad investments,
Yeah.
yeah.
I wanna win investment.
It's an investment.
I think I go like
An investment,
Yeah,
bro.
because nabo baphila bathi kahle dog ukuthi kuse hayi
Yeah,
umbane ethi ukhona dog utawubuya sinakekele.
type shit. Cause like very this shit is a cycle, bro. Cycle, dog.
Ingakuyisi le golf umbane esekhaya. Ngapress kakhulu ngale ka right.
You say it is a girl.
She's a girl though.
Ah, relax, girls, bro.
It's
Much
white dog.
oh, dog, relax. Much they take good care of something, bro. Like
Yeah.
nah, much.
But
yeah, but
but
if-
dog
if it's a
wakho
guy-
ayidlale saying dog let's into longayisalendeli. Angisho ukuthi akayisebenzi but
Yeah.
the fact that it was a gift bro. It's not like dog ukuthi ukhiphe noma 80 something grand ekhikhini.
Yeah.
Uhamba ufuna lemon. It was a gift.
Some other kids.
Yeah.
Some other kids are lucky as hell.
Mm.
But it is what it is, bro. Like in shout out to her, bro. What's her name though? Is she paying?
Yadanga
Is she paying like that?
Puma love.
Oh, dude, but I don't know if she's a pay.
She's a girl, bro.
She's a pay.
She's a girl.
Not a pay.
She's a girl, bro. She's a girl, bro. What the fuck?
Yeah, okay, away.
But
But
I'm
will you smash?
bro.
Will you smash her, dude?
Would you smash her?
I'm asking you.
Okay, bro. I'm telling you, she's a girl. Would you smash her?
She's a girl.
Yeah.
Oh, what? A beautiful
She's
girl.
not a peng. She's a girl.
Oh, just like a normal girl.
She's not a peng. She's a girl. Would
No,
you
man.
smash her?
I would smash. I would want to see ukuthi muhle noma asimuhle.
She's not a peng. Buhle akasimuhle ngale ndlela.
Yeah,
She's
but
a girl.
oh. I think I have to see her first, bro. Before imbuwe to ukuthi say ish.
Mina ngisathi yeah.
Une-gold 6.
Record is fresh.
Yeah.
But
Smash, une-gold
Yeah.
6.
yeah.
Who's
no, I'm not saying.
Man,
Shit.
ayaqenza olweli phela mina ngiphile nayo iminyaka
Will
njani.
you smash? Will you smash?
Mina
You.
she's a girl, bro.
Excellent.
I bro, I was the fact that, okay, I got bro. My sister congratulations on you bro. Kusibadala bakho bakhombile ukuthi bakuthanza kanganani.
Type shit.
Mina bra, mina ngithanzela ama cherry la tiny. Yeah. Yabo. She's a stufuza bra. Yeah.
You just tufuza kana.
Stufuza, this is right.
Not the less ways.
With them boobs.
Shout out to you. I don't know your name, but shout out to you. What's your name though?
Angayilanzeleli igama lakhe bro because nambe ngiyibona nje just hopped off kwakwe.
Oh, type shit.
Yeah, Pushfire by the way.
Oh yeah.
Two and Pushfire by the gate.
But the K type. Oh,
like
kacha when is push bro? June, July. Hi, guys.
Close, bro.
Like I don't know these things, but like I know what's.
But you know who's like why it's always
Yeah, I know there's always push fire, but I don't know the exact dates. What's like, bro, when? Maybe July or May.
Let me
August.
check, bro. Let me confirm.
I will confirm, bro. Shout out to yo, I feel like push fire is not fair, bro. Cause like Lapadoki, a lot of mediocre artists go there, bro. A lot of artists on like me bro. They are work. Some of them, not all of them though.
Inga April dog na pela
Oh,
April.
April.
Yeah.
Oh shit, it's close.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying, guys. What's a minute talk? I feel like actually.
Ugilo I Pushfire before.
Nah, I've never. But like, but when I see the lineup, bro, I see.
Okay, have you
And the
ever stepped the
videos.
food there?
Nah, I've never.
You don't know the vibe.
I don't know the vibe.
You don't know the place.
It's
Bro, believe me, dog, it's crazy.
crazy.
It's crazy.
You went
bro.
there?
Yeah, colorless name, bro. Like kune skala dog ingumbi like kuhle.
I'm kidding, guys. I've been there.
You've been there. Okay. Let's hope you're not
I've
capping,
been
bro.
there. I've been there though.
Okay, which biggest event dog you've attended, Duke Lawan?
Hey, guys. let me be honest, bro. Like, I'm gonna be honest, bro. Bro, event like okay. Cause very talk, I feel like my story revolves around security and shit. Dog, you know me, bro. I feel like I talk like freedom for the later and shit. Bro, freedom for the later and shit, bro.
I fuck with the faith.
Yeah, bro. Because bro, like really, I was supposed to work for freedom and shit. But it didn't come easy for me to have freedom type shit, bro.
So now you feel like, bro, you've got the freedom.
I've got the freedom. So I feel like now, bro, I can attend the events that I want. Because very, bro, I am a content creator, my dog.
Yeah.
So very dog, I need to attend those events and shit. You know, like, be honest though, bro, be honest as fuck. I've never attended like, I have attended events that are normal, bro. Not that big events type shit. But I'm putting my guy next to me, bro. Pure updates in this motherfucker. Obvious dog, I will go there and see with these hands.
The hands.
Them honeys, bro. Gotta see honeys, bro. Fuck with honeys as type shit.
I have a question, Majid. What's your take on Eswatini influencers? My influencer, Eswatini.
Trey Awesome.
Pure Bantam.
Always steal this motherfucker.
Pure Bantam in this speech.
Yeah.
Pure Bantam. Pure Bantam. Everything pure Bantam. Bro, if you now Bangat Uts when come with me face to face. That watching.
Mara yato sumene ngibukile inkombi yalama influencer lana ayahlanganisa. Said influencer kahle laso.
Shit.
What do you mean?
That's a fact.
Man, let's be honest, Bafet. Ayikho Majid la tizamela.
Showcase.
Showcase. You know, there's something lengwarishako but was Unafuna kuba influencers sokufuna ukucela kubantu kazi nawo bayatizamela.
Yeah.
Mina I've seen sokukhona abantu okufuna bahlonishwe on socials ala Swatini. Nakukhuluma bona kufuna sibalalele because mina ngibalalele. Balalele ngibe bathi mina. Yeah. Ngibani lo kahle kahle ufuna simlaleleleni lo. Bayano le.
Kuba.
Bro, you know ukuthi there are people there are people that vanga susi dog just because now I have these things. Bro, now people need to salute me. Now people need to respect me. Specifically,
I'm trying. Let me follow your question.
Yeah. Specifically, bro, I'm talking to Trey Osons. This motherfucker. Trey Osons, bro. I feel like I fuck with Trey, but like I don't give a fuck what I'm always talking about him. But I'm saying, bro, just because Trey Osons now, bro, nah, he have like a boutique and shit, like he sells clothes and shit. He get those attentions on socials. Now, he feel like, bro, we need to listen to him.
Marapata.
I'm not saying. Not bad blood, though. Not bad blood.
Uyibonile le drama yabo le ebeka bayenda on social media nalomjida lesingamadlo Mufasa because wakana sithombe.
Trey Osons bro lengakusho ngaye ukuthi he's smart bro. That's why now I'm targeting him because ngiyambona ukuthi he's smart.
Yabo mina mjida lo mina ulengivanga ngawo mina. Inkumbi yethu sine inkumbi eMaswati that drawing hated him. Ake ndilutho nje. Bantshela ukuthi atitshela ngathi nje.
Yeah.
Trey. Akumathi maraphatha angibona ngasenze. Mara nayo nalo kuthanza liso because kunemavideo akhe ngwabonile la.
Mina dog excel. Let's go cut him now. On our first episode dog on Uncut Brothers. Ngasho what minute dog I fuck with Trey.
I do fuck with Trey too, bro.
Yeah. I fuck with this guy dog excel.
Yeah, for sure. For sure.
But on my side dog as a competitor, I need to attack you dog. For no reason, dog. For no reason. Give me dog. I'm dissing you dog for no reason. But at the end of the day, dog, I'm standing on my waist, dog. Me, dog. Yeah. I'm not hating on you, dog, but I'm just dissing you, bro. To show, dog, you're not the only one doing this shit, Narangwan. You're not the only one, dog, pushing this culture.
For sure.
You can see them people are hating on you for no reason. I'm like site lelo, parting it's mean. I've seen your shit ka Facebook. Ngaze ngakhuluma about my subscribers
Yeah.
57,000 subs with one video, bro. That shit is prop, dog. That's fake as fuck. But I'm coming to you, dog. Mina ngufuna ringini yathi. Yeah, ngufuna ringini mina.
Yo.
I'll fuck you up.
Yo, where I
I'll
need
fuck you up right
Yo.
now, dude.
yo.
ngasikhathi kunale beef yabo naMufasa or you team Mufasa or you team Trey.
That wasn't even a beef, dog.
Man, let's ask. Were you team Mufasa or team Trey?
Who's
Oh, I'm gonna to be honest,
Who's
dog.
Mufasa?
Who's Mufasa? Who's Mufasa?
To be honest, dog, mina dog.
Who's Mufasa, bro? Who's Mufasa?
Ndawuthima apha nabantu.
Who's Trey? Who's Trey? Who's Mufasa? Who's Trey? Who's Mufasa? Who's Trey, bro?
Please, I'm gonna Trey.
Trey dog, we are Bangeng bantu dog baswengile kamanzini nga Trey. Yeah.
Then who's Mufasa, though?
Yeah, who's Mufasa?
Who's Mufasa, though? Who's Mufasa? Mufasa, show your face, bro. I don't know you. Don't know you.
Yeah.
Show your face, bro.
Yathi ukuthi ene ngibona ama comments lapha kule beef yabo. Uthi angathi wamzondisa abochiri nani nani. Just because yena bomshana bayanqanywa. Somzondi yasunqanya bomshana.
Who, like Mufasa? Mufasa is hating on Trey.
Bakunyanyisa ngathi usena wabochiri ngoba ukuposa kwamachiri wake ni Trey. Usine problem ngaloko wena.
Mina dog njengoba lamuhla dog, it's our 3rd episode on Archives Brothers. Ngifuna we clarify the shit.
Yeah.
Mina dog, I'm dissing you for no reason, dog.
Yeah.
Mina dog, I just hate the competition, dog. You're putting it on us. That's why in this dog, mina dog, I'm the best YouTuber out here. Dog,
Yeah.
I'm the most handsome guy, dog. Larangwani. I'm
You hate
saying
it?
that shit, bro, in front of you. Now, when they're thinking logo,
How
it's me, they meet me on the ring, dog.
How can you hate the competition, bro? Because I love the competition.
I'm not hating the competition, dog.
Yeah.
I'm feeling the competition. I wanted to say that.
Yeah.
Mina dog, that's why ngifuna ukukhumbula kahle ukuthi ngasho on our previous show ukuthi
Yeah,
dog,
yeah.
I fuck with this grind, dog.
I fuck with
I can
this
tell
grind,
dog,
bro,
this
yeah.
is making man, dog.
For sure, yeah.
But I want you to know, dog, ukuthi Mpilo Bantam ukhona infonjeni. Uthi dog, if you feel like you are the greatest out here, fuck that, dog. Ngikhona nami, I'm the greatest out here.
Okay.
Say your shit.
Lathatha nesikena top 1 influencer laswadeni Trey because
I'm not
Trey kuphela.
bro. So why now was funny, bro.
But okay, man, yeah,
Bro,
I understand that. Okay, it's an influencer.
Mina ngithi ngithagethe away. You're not influencing us on the shit, bro.
You remember that
You even did a video with the twins, bro.
basikena ba invite ama influencers eBarrage. Wabona ama influencers ethu.
So trade.
So true.
So trade all.
Wabona ama influencers.
Ngiyabo trade.
Yeah, ebakamani. I understand
Cool.
what are the influencers.
Yeah. That's why I was saying, Gucci Mini. Like, dog. Bro, I know who's the people that have bro. They've made it.
Mina
Yeah, in their mind, man, I'm confused.
okay, I got it though. Mina ngifuna sibane. Bro, mina uthi wena you so trade.
I saw trade at Barrage.
Yeah, you so trade.
Yeah.
Yeah. I got asengubude though. Anti sithi isikhoma influence.
Yeah.
Mina dog I understand it dog ukuthi trade influencer. But mina dog
Swengo,
Oh,
bro.
yeah.
Swengo,
Wabona
dog.
kusina-
Swengo, bro. But change the bro. He's selling clothes.
Blinding, pair.
Selling clothes, bro. Style. I fuck with his style. But like, I'm not afraid of you with your style. I fuck with your style. When I know which way, bro. When I would see you advertising style, yeah, shit. I respect that. Advertising style, bro.
man, fuck that exe. Mina lekusho bro. Ngeke uthi trade influencer style, bro. Man,
What's
man,
influencer,
hear
bro?
me out though.
Yeah.
Influencer style. Bro, thina nawe sinemalanga dog, si trap.
Yeah,
There's there've been people dog out there.
yeah,
Kunabo slim dog.
yeah.
Kunabo slim bro, balebe balapha.
Yeah.
Kunabo spova.
Spova, yeah.
Kule balebe balapha bro. Ngeke uthi dog. Ngeke uthi sikufike trade. So to trade influencer umso. I feel like mina trade influencer dog i-business.
Okay, man.
Ngakho ngeke umseko mina ngiyala na uthi dog
bro.
influencer umthengo. Fuck that.
It's a strategy, bro. Trey, smart, bullshit, bro. Trey smart.
Yeah.
He uses his fame and drip to influence people. But Spova though they were only posting for what is like type shit.
Yeah.
Because Spova posting this topic. They repeat it. Pay. Spova though guys said
Ngala magama uthi wena trade dog. Ungasho ukuthi uyishingile culture.
you see the culture, bro, just because
Yeah.
Trey is talking to his fans, bro. Trey bro can post a video, just or something. Spova will never do the shit. Spova was only posting pictures. That's the difference, bro.
Okay, bro. Uyabona
Try bro, bro,
uyabona
bro.
lokushoko kuyavakala, bro.
Yeah.
Kuyavakala. And I wanna say this, bro, live, bro. Uyabona Dog say Spova, bro. Shout out to you, bro. You say you did your thing. But then basho bathi here comes this guy who is smarter than you. I change it again.
Yeah,
But mina Dog, mina ngifuna ukukhulumela mina specifically because I am the one, Dog. One day you gonna meet you face to face. Yabo Trey Souls. Mina ngifuna uve Dog ukuthi ngithi mina Dog.
We even meet the nigga, bro.
Yeah, I met him, Dog, but
Yeah,
then,
by a trade
but
fair.
then Dog say I didn't diss him like this, bro.
Dog, we're not dissing him.
I'm dissing him, mina Dog.
Dissing him.
I'm dissing him, Dog, for no reason, Dog. Mina Dog, I'm dissing you for no reason, Dog. But I want you to know, Dog, ukuthi if you happen to think ukuthi wena, bro, you are the greatest out there,
Yeah.
man, fuck that, Dog. Come meet me, Pure Panther. I'll fuck you up right now. Yeah.
Nigga, you trying to fight that nigga?
I'm not trying to fight him, Dog.
What do you mean?
I'm solo telling answers understand that.
No, I understand you, bro.
I understand.
I understand you, bro.
It mean I'm dissing you for no reason, dog.
Oh.
No matter what dog uthole kuthiwa licaba ukuthi dog you are a shit. Ngithi mina
Fuck that shit.
fuck that shit dog. Nami ngithi ngingibhantama ngisespeak mfonjeni. Ukhona angeke dog. I'm the number one. If you thought you were number one, fuck that
Yabona lo
shit.
mjidi. Yena usinfluencer ngale indlela. Yabona usinfluencer business wise. Usiphume sophana. I understand lento leyo. Ukahle lapho ke. Uphanda.
Yeah.
Into lengincanywa ngayo mina. Lo bese ngincanywa ngaye. Okay, nakho ukuthi yathi siwaye ngigcine ngamnaka mina. Le ndlela bekwenteka ngale yabona lama beef labo lebekendeka. I was trying to understand ukuthi lo mjidi bamsondela into kahle kahle. Ngaboza the problem lifestyle yakhe. The reason why ngibuthe ama influencers ngale ndlela ngabona ngayo lapha ngase ngisayise lama influencers yabona ngabuka mjida ngabuka ama influencers lamanye ngathi mina lana majida akuma levels la ngafani
Aware. Shout out to Trey Osons. We are not glazing you, though. It's not glazing.
Say your shit.
Shout out to Engineer.
Mina dog, I'm
Shout
not
out
hating
to-
Trey. Okay,
shout-
bro.
shout out
Wait
to
a second,
Under the
dog.
Chopper.
Without fear those hands. But dog, mina ngifuna sihambe sikaqisile, bro. Mina dog ngicela ngiveni kahle. Phande nisho nabe nisho thayi.
Yeah.
Leyo bhanda
Nakho,
awukhona
cool, bro.
ukuchaza ngendlela yakho.
Yeah.
Ngithi mina dog, I'm not hating on Trey. I'm
We
just
get this
challenging him, dog.
Yeah.
Yabo, ngasho ukuthi dog, I'm coming at him, dog, business wise, but putting pressure on him, dog, ukuthi ngithi nami dog, ngingibhantama ngithi if you feel like dog, you are shit, nami ngithi I'm shit as well. Ngikongive kahle, bro. That's why ngithi kuwe mina I'm dissing him for no reason.
but okay manje ngicela kumbutela mina
Mbutele,
on
dog.
this behalf angithi Trey smart le etulu kamanzini uyathengisa umchallenger on what grounds
I don't know,
He's a
yeah.
businessman yena wena why you challenging him
Okay, mina ngimchallenge kule party kule party ema YouTube. Cause YouTube is doing this shit.
Yeah.
Take dog is I understand it.
Yeah, I get it.
bro
Apart with the fact
Yo,
you understand that that's why I am
Yes, Cappy.
me dog say I'm a YouTuber too.
If I'm hashtag to buy.
Except couldn't know that dog would understand it because you never down confused with it. Phantom, why happy? Trey dog is doing business, but he's putting himself
Yo,
as
Trey.
a YouTuber.
He does have a channel. He does.
Don't you not following Trey?
I do follow him.
He does have a channel.
Bro, Trey dog, he put himself as a YouTuber. Yeah.
Footy. Yo, Trey
And
Osons.
I can agree because he's YouTubing. And I saw the fact that you went to those twins, bro.
Oh, yo, cook, bro.
Tell them, bro.
Nah, cook.
Cool, bruh.
Yo, should I start from zero?
Highlights, bro. Just
Highlights.
give them
Nah, it's
highlights.
not like good. I'm starting from zero. But like,
Say your shit, bro.
yeah, I'm saying, bro. I remember the day we pull up with me and my niggas Zara with Mafuso type shit.
Yeah.
Bro, we're tripping as fuck that day. When we were tripping as fuck, bro. Me and my niggas, bro. We pull up there. We're vlogging type shit. Who's this nigga, bro? Niggas. We're vlogging as fuck. And when we were vlogging, bro. Cause dog vetting me and my niggas, bro. We love Bailey's type shit. The energy, bro, was different, bro. Mind you, dog, like, it was our first time to put this vlog. Bro, Hannes were flocking to us, bro. Even, bro, those twins, like say. Those twins, bro, Saba attract her. We didn't do too much, bro. And I saw what after the video, bro. Those Hannes were.
Mina vele ayikabi ukukhatha dog. Mina ngasho bro ukuthi say the fact that you went to go and get those twins, bro. I can say, bro, ukuthi say we inspired you and shit, bro. Because we are the first one, dog, to shoot those twins.
Do you think you saw the video?
Eventually, bro.
He did. Because like, bro, you know what, bro, Babandu dog, they can.
People they are stalking.
They are stalking. Bro. They can act like, bro, they don't see anything, but.
Man, it's not long dog. I'm dissing you for no reason, but now I get offended, though. Come meet me face to face in St. Fonjane. I'll fuck you up, baby boy.
But like, I love the fact that Muti, bro, there's something in the media. It's doing something, bro.
It's popping.
It's popping.
It's about time. Bro.
About time.
It's about
time. Because
like,
bro, media, bro, is something very like the kids, bro, they are drawn to. The kids, bro, they fuck with media, they fuck with content type shit, bro. So if things like this, then they got to very well happy. It's the youth, bro. Now we need people who tell other people, yo, those niggas are fathers, those niggas, bro, they talk shit, bro. Trash.
Those
niggas talk trash. We need those people, bro. But like,
you will say some things, bro, about those paying hands, bro.
Those paying, bro.
Oh, you outside up.
Yeah, you can add something. You can add something, though. If you want.
I wanted to hear your story because dog Mupazam see.
Nah, dog. I mean, all I can say, Uti, those honeys, bro, were drawn to us.
Yeah.
Even before we shoot.
Like ubeso khuluma ngabo Anele nabo Angel.
Oh, Anele. Oh, for sure. Now, dog, you know, because I feel like, cause dog, you know, it is easy for hands to get something. Just like you told me. But bro, they are popping. I feel like they are popping, bro. Engineer.
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe it's AI or something. But I saw something on IG. Really, bro, I'll admit, bro, because really, bro.
You know niggas are simping out there, bro.
Yeah.
It's easy for hands.
It's easy for hands. Because like, bro, I saw the hand using hands to see. Is it Dubai or maybe Cape Town or what? I don't know. But I don't think it's Dubai, bro. There's no way. Yeah, but you may never know.
You may never know, bro. Let me cook some shit, bro.
She's a bird, bro.
Let me cook some shit, bro.
Yeah.
Let me cook some shit, bro. I won't say the name, bro. Bro, there is a hand dog I know. Not even know, bro. I'm close to the hand, bro. She called me, bro, and told me like, hey, yo, Brantam, I just got this ticket, bro. Right now, bro, Nyasuga, bro. I'm going to my man from Skopje, dog. To Uganda, somewhere out there. She even screenshot, bro. She even sent me the screenshot, bro. Like, look, Bantam.
I'm in Uganda right now.
Yeah, I'm going to Uganda. The ticket, bro, it said.
I was saying, bro, everything is sorted.
Like, bro, like ngizama kufakazela ukuthi bro angisho ukuthi she was there ane but ngisho ukuthi ku possible bro to this house because niggas are something dog yabo manje umjida ngaba na millions of dollars but bro I reacted kweslim
because I remember the hand even told us ukuthi bro when I had this puppet of mine from Cape Town he gave me 50,000 for 2 nights, bro. I was like, bro, niggas are simping out there. 50K for a hand. What's wrong with you niggas? 50K for a hand, bro. Why did you take the cash, bro? Bro.
Okay,
what the fuck?
We're not talking hand ulidanga malini.
Meaning? Bro, nah.
That's bro.
Okay, but like, yo, now 1K at least.
Yeah, that's fair, bro.
1K at least.
That's fair, though.
1K at least, bro.
That's fair, though.
I remember spending on these hands on
this hand.
On the screen. It had
okay, go share this bong with you.
Nah.
Nah, bro. Okay, tell it. Okay, the name of a town, dog. Swaziland is too small.
Name of a town?
Yeah. Tina now in Jansis versus speed.
Actually, there are 2 hands that I want to talk about.
Okay, Lolo Kulma ngai nyalo, bro. Ngabe ngithi sibongo cause
Hey, nah, bro. I don't wanna crazy.
even noma wathi Dlamini dog, there are a lot of Dlamini hands, bro. Into isaba. Okay, continue.
But like, bro, I remember spending on this hand, bro. This hand on this hand. This hand, I said, bro. I told her, Gucci. But like, oh, the surname started with a G, though. G. G, yeah. I remember spending on this hand, bro. This hand, I said, bro. He pulled up to my crib. She pulled up to my crib. I pulled up on my crib. I was like, bro. Okay, something like go away. I feel like, I think a mean type shit. And then my fake him over like, bro. For like 10 minutes type shit. And then after that, bro, I'm like, talking. Who are your friends, bro? So that you can vibe, bro. Like, can we go? So by the river, by river view. So now I talk. Like, yo, this bitch is on some crazy shit, bro. Dog, I was expecting the hand to see at the game, bro.
That's how they roll, bro.
I expect, bro, utegi bro. Utegi, dog. I don't know who's being the dog. There was something wrong. Dog, I don't know who's being possessed type shit. Because I remember the man I'm nigga mad, bro. That's me. What's the man again? What's the man? I'm fully camper now.
I'm fully camper now.
And then now I was like, and the way I'm gonna pay. Baby, I will come back. Relax. And then I gave her the money. I'm share, bro. I might do the man to shit. Come attack it. I'm via a river view type shit. And then my via river view dog.
Did she come back?
She did come back.
Oh, good for you, bro. She did come back.
But like the fact, bro, what's it, bro? They give me dog, ne? Now they give him, bro, and then you tell me which you wanna go out. What the fuck?
You know, aye.
Bro, take me, then you wanna go out.
Okay, let me ask you this shit, bro. Let me ask you this shit. Have you ever been missed by a hand, dog?
Yeah, I have. I have been missed by a hand.
And lean.
I have. I lean, bro. 2 times. The hand is pull up to me and say, I pull up again, bro. I'll be like, so take on it, bro. Na so take on it, bro. So even like what's talking? I'm sure I'm like, bro, I wanna smash you today.
Man, let's take shit. What's
Yeah, I was like, bro, now I wanna smash you today.
Yeah.
And I can't, bro. I feel you, baby. Type shit. You know, the phone calls, bro. I was a pursuit, bro. Type shit. That boy with the hand, you get freaky. Type shit. Cause like, bro, any even noise. I like saying this. I was a bit drunk in Yana.
Yeah.
So very when I'm drunk in I have the ability to talk. Can talk shit with this hand.
Yeah, calling a press.
Yeah. I was talking shit with this hand, and they were like, okay, baby, I will be there. Type shit tomorrow. And then, luckily, bro, I was alone. Bro. The following day, I think I pull up Nzamba type shit. Bro, mind too, bro. So feel about at 6 p.m. I'm about 10. One nisha, bro.
How did the Nisharing come about? Okay. How did I want to understand that, because
yeah,
and you know, pull up from somewhere,
yeah,
and I believe Dr. Namsakuma like when Niafungera, I can't wait for you to get here.
Yeah,
blah blah blah.
Yeah,
how did the Nisharing came about?
In the bed, bro.
What did you do?
Let me tell you my story.
I kissed the hand, palms and shit.
You grabbed the yash.
Babe, grabbed the yash and shit.
And she started morning
Type shit. When it start morning, bro, you know, you see those eggs, bro, which is very much, bro, she's on now. But when it's time, which is, bro,
Is she undressed?
Bro, we're trying to undress that bitch. She doesn't want to, bro.
Chasan.
Multiple times. You know, Pepeto, fed up, bro. You know,
sometimes gende utube. Ukaze kusokutuba kuyakusebenzela like a few moments later.
Oh.
Mina
akusebenzelanga. Ngizokudumile.
Dog, lo mana uyashimbilika, bro. Like,
I feel like this thing of chauffeuring of Banfan talk. I feel like dog vele le nto kufuna lo mfana asukele ekhaya
adijeli
because dog wasuka lekhaya naye angadecide dog ukuthi ngindawo endala kunento lodibana nawo.
Well, do you have a story to tell?
I have a lot.
Tell us, have you been missed?
Bro, I won't say it was English sharing or some shit, but I feel like dog it's a story to tell because I went to the hunt dog. I was at high school back then dog. So there was this hunt dog. The hand billing feel I don't school mean blah blah blah. Tambama. Back meaning ngihlala esikolweni cabanga manje. Yena uhlala ngephandle kwesikole but nayiqashile. So ngasibo bala around him. Then like okay, start checkana later blah blah blah. You then figure Tambama I pulled up on her. Started kissing, bro. That's why I'm skin minute dog.
No, feel you.
That's why I'm skin. I won't call it initially because I don't understand it. We started kissing, blah blah blah, undressing and shit.
Yeah.
Then I started nyobaring dog.
Nyobaring.
Listen, bro. I started chowing the hand, bro. I chowed the hand like maybe I did for maybe my 4-5 strikes, bro.
Shit.
Like strokes. After then the hand dog just jumped dog over there. Yeah, it was an outdoor, bro.
You were stroking the hand.
Yeah, like dog. I just stroked him 4-5 times.
That nigga is packed. That nigga is packed.
Wait, bro. It's a hear me out, dog. That's why I need me. But we sharing or begin because the hand dog. I undressed her. She opened the cookies for me in a doggy style, shit like that. I started nyobaring her, dog. Listen, I started trying. I did one strike, second strike, third strike, fourth strike, fifth strike. On the 6th strike, the hand zoomed bro over there, bro. And she was like, "Hey, I have to go outside."
You pay?
That's when I realized that is dog good sex.
This is a
in my case, to what, dog? I was there, bro.
But do you think the hand he felt?
Do you call that English sharing, though?
That's
I tested the fruit. I tested the fruit, though.
That's not English sharing, though.
I tasted the fruit, though. I tasted the fruit, my nigga.
Still in the pain.
Do you call it English sharing?
I've got more, bro. There was this hand, bro. She was in SA. We met dog Pixpick at town. Yeah. Did I tell you that story? Exactly.
Nah.
Yeah. So this hand, bro, Sakuluma and I, all right, and then she was like, I would say, Bavala. Yeah, for sure. Like, I wanna see you, Pantam. I wanna eat you, whatever shit. I can't wait to meet you.
On some freaky type shit.
Yeah, and I'm like, look, as a woman, I need to get private. Like, I'm gonna kill that, what, and shit. Yeah. And then, Skatsa figure took what figure, Mshalwafa. And Kumbula, I said, took Namlanza took and Vonjan Mapotin.
Yeah.
I Nimlanza for a sensi. Shot. Hey, when
yeah.
I started kissing those hair close to me. When I started to undress her, she was like, "No, bro, I'm not ready."
For real.
Imagine, dog. I've planned that I will give her 300 when she buys. My mind is like, "Oh shit, we're going that way."
Yeah.
Okay.
Cook my dog.
Yeah, we'll see.
Alright.
And then I named the hand dog for the whole of the meal. I even pretended dog to my cousin dog. Yeah, when I'm coming boxer, bro. As if like, bro, I'm smashing a shit. I swear, bro, and the niggas were vouching for me. Dog, you're like, yeah, get that. Inside, bro, I'm not smashing. I'm not doing what. The hand dog. I charged it, and I tried to be Kulul, my bro. I tried to win to Lalisa for about 30 minutes.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, so then you can make it a station having a car.
But
I cooked her, though.
You fucked it.
I cooked it. Wait. Let's figure station.
Yeah.
I gave her 30 bucks, bro.
At least.
To go home, bro.
At least it's a good thing.
But I told her. I told her, dog. I didn't tell her what I would give you. But I told her what I would give you some money. I just promised her, dog, a t-shirt. So I told you I budget ukuthi kuseni nakafika namnika 300. So nakafika vele umshana mina just namnet ngamna 30 rand ukuthi agibela
But at
fake.
least yabona at least
Yeah.
akamoshana.
Wangisha do.
Angathola lutho.
Futhi uyathi wena lo wancisha futhi awuzange songisaphole comment page.
Expose that nigga.
Awuzange songisaphole.
Expose that B.
I have to. Awuzange songisaphole.
Expose that B.
Man,
Expose it, bro.
Man, expose.
I won't expose. Okay, I won't expose to the bitch because I'm still talking to the hand.
Oh.
But she has to know, bro. Ukuthi loko la kwenda vele bro ekuseni.
But what
I
if
call it nurturing.
what if wangisho kusena benginebani? Labantu labela ngaphandle kababonana.
Bro, relax, bro. Bantu njani bantu bakithi? Bantu bathi.
Maybe
Emkhulwini kusekhaya.
Yes, uyabo se uthola usise basilalela.
Bekathi lo mshana ever since sikhuluma uyathi ukuthi ngihlala nebantu.
Yeah.
Uyathi ukuthi ekhaya kunebantu. Akusiki ukuthi lento yamthusa wena dog ukuthi kwaba yiwawo. She was ready for that.
Happens wabuya yini?
Wabe sekafuna kubuya but then I was fed up, bro.
You feel that?
Ngethuka dog ukuthi engaspenda bro. Yathi imoto kumalini ukuthi imoto.
Yabona mara at least uyabona bathi ngishefe ngqo.
Yeah.
Yabona mina ngi-understand the story sakho sokuthi uhlamba kancane.
Ekuseni bro.
I'm strong.
Hayi nomkinga dog but that story. Uyabona dog ekuseni mina umshana ekuseni ngamdla kayi6. Ngathi 1 2 3.
Ungidlile. Ungidlile.
Ngamudla dog because I felt it dog.
You know, do you know some other hands have good coochie, bro?
Okay, mina dog I can tell you that.
Do you know some other hands have good coochie, bro?
Yeah.
What bro?
Kodela bro. Kodwa it's not
Bro, let me cool
your mind.
Let me cool, bro.
Okay, cool.
Not the mind, bro. Look, I'm taking this shit from experience. I was fucking this bitch.
Let's understand.
I was fucking this bitch, bro. Bro, this bitch, bro. When I inserted my dick, bro.
Yo, bro, stop. Say your shit, even not dicking his shit. I'll phone talk about yeah.
But like when you did the things in Davos type shit, bro, they had Panama Springs, bro. Bro, like as I tell much time, like bro, I'm high on that dog, like Coochie dog is someone on another level.
But did you?
Expose the beat.
I did smash, bro.
Man, did you finish?
I did.
Finish. Did you finish?
No, I did not.
Do you understand?
The difference.
Okay, let me clarify this shit. Yabona lo kunye namkhululi. The beach was in my beach.
Mara, but
We just hooked up, dog. She liked me, bro.
If it's not yours.
Ngasho with me dog the beach knew always ngiyabekithi. The beach knew always but mina ngakhuluma nayo then iyangifila. Sayangithembisa ukuthi sibonane then bro, but the fact that bro I dropped the panty. That nayo lento ibe nkinga dog ukuthi ngayithi isipendi dog.
Yeah.
And then when I start nyobaring dog 6 tries dog. She zooped dog. I was like, no, I cannot do this. I need to buy.
That's crazy. 6 strokes.
That's how it is dog. I'm in a dog, I've got stories to tell.
Stories for days.
But don't cause out dog.
Shout out to Hanzo.
Uhlokile ngingambona kala kumakholokholo ngathi ufunzele imunqa wenda song yazi uyanyala wangisho.
Shit.
Yeah. I'm still out here.
It's what it is, bro.
Yeah.
But Hanni's dog, they should continue with their places, bro. We don't blame you, because Nani, you guys are hustling out there.
But
they're hustling, bro.
But ningesabi nekukhulumisa amajita dog 8.
But now they do, like, I mean, I was talking to another nigga. I was like, bro, these Hannis, they love us. Teeny dog, like,
This
gangabo,
something like that.
they love us, bro. But they also need the money, bro. If the way about dog type shit, like when I to some they do the shit. They take the money,
Come fuck with you.
and then come fuck with you. You're a real nigga. Type shit. Nah, bro.
Cause dog excel. He hand. Let us get this thing straight, though.
Hannes, bro. If a hand loves you, you won't find any shit. If she loves you for real,
I understand that. I can understand that.
a hand can provide for you with the money from the place. without you knowing that shit.
Yeah, I.
So if bro akuthanda bro, vele ngiyukuthole. That's the thing. Shout out to you girls. Keep hustling. You guys 19 cents, you're doing your jobs.
Say, yeah, what's up, man?
Mara pas nasa promoter update.
Who? Papa for sure pay this all bro.
They're promoting
Baddies.
Okay, bro, I won't. I'm getting paying it. I'm not promoting them, bro. But I
You
feel
have
like
baddies, most.
I fuck with baddies, but
Will you allow your girl to be paid?
Mm.
no, I won't.
Listen, dog, so spalo udlala kakhulu dog. Dog, do you know ukuthi bro? Yo, I. So sorry guys, like. But I shout out to baddies. Oh yeah. Do you know, bro?
Bro, I hate my baddies because, bro, because by me, dog, judging from how they are doing their shit, how they are pushing the card, I feel like, bro, very, it's a bad influence, dog.
Bro,
You can't, bro, tell the young kids out there who say, let's do this shit because it pays off. At the end of the day, once you cool bro, when I won't get what? See?
But like, who doesn't want to be a baddie, bro? Who doesn't want to be
being influenced?
Okay, man. Okay, bro, to be honest with you, who doesn't want a baddie life? Because a baddie, bro, is a girl who afford anything, everything. Ne? It's a girl.
At the end of the day, in a Seattle, they are still hoes and they are hoes.
A bed is a bed bitch. It's like saying Cardi B.
Bro, what's wabana pay? Wabana pay. That's why I feel about pay, boy.
Yeah, baby, a bitch.
No.
I'm a
You're the beach. You're paid, you're the beach, dude.
I feel the shit.
And you can tell, bro, this is a bait by just looking at the pics, though.
They are Sims, bro. They are Sims. Do you know?
Will you continue?
Hey.
Will you go one when I public?
I will do that now. I'm ngimsukele iPad. But vele la kata ushinja la kimi angeke. Uyabona nabe ngisukele iPad.
But like very bro, to be honest, etc. You know, it is. I won't blame those niggas who have cash. Because bro, we know good in Naraban talk is like, who doesn't want
Good life. Good vibes.
Who doesn't want vibe? Who doesn't want his speech to be
Push.
to be pushed?
Okay, let me ask you this question, bro. When can you make your girl a demon?
A demon.
Okay, like little demon will come like that. Nga icheri yako to nga in that paid. If you had cash.
If
you
can. I will.
Okay, cool.
Wait.
Because I love my peach. Yeah. Love my peach.
Loving your peach is something you should make.
Nah, no, not
Now
like
if
that.
you're making a bed, we have to kumela ngeyokuthi mina umspoil to kumunike bo 15k for no reason. Umthengele umfake ama BBL bro, ma tattoos and shit. Umthengele ma ice
Okay, bro. I feel like you gotta give to a bitch who deserves it.
Now it's beach with deserve it, dog. Let's
I'm telling you.
like lula short tawusa ke nam.
Nah,
Now it's a beach.
Hey,
Now never come.
let's understand.
Okay.
Oh,
shit.
I wanna bring.
Beach deserving.
I was trying to say.
Nah,
man.
Feel talk. It's like beach is sometimes you can say it's a beach. Okay, I love my beach. You know what I mean?
Okay.
I talk about the cheat.
Man,
My beach
Oh,
is
do you have someone you love?
No. I talk to girls, bro.
You talk to girls.
I don't ever.
Because mina ngiva ngathi yalo sekukhona info loyikhulumelayo like
Nah,
something
bro.
you have to stand.
Nah, I talk to girls, bro.
Akusicala bro if you have someone you love.
Nah.
Are you not in love?
I'm not in love, bro. With who?
Okay. Asiqhubeke into. I wanted to clarify that though.
Are you in love?
No.
You You are, bro. What the fuck? You are, bro.
Emadoda angikho in love. Yeva, let ngiganiwe. That's all I can say. Ngiganiwe.
Okay. Yo.
Ngisizwa.
Yo, mkhulu. What does it mean, ukuthi nigga? Noma lo hand, bro.
Yabona but uyalazi igama lesiganiwe.
Yeah, I know the shit. What does it mean when a nigga say noma lo hand, bro? We were calling for the longest time. Nigga, they be like, bro, I'm gonna marry that bitch. I'm gonna smash that bitch. I'm gonna wife that bitch. What does it mean? What is that?
Love. Yeah.
Away.
Love.
Yo, this nigga is in love, bro. Stop the capping, bro. This nigga is in love,
This nigga
bro.
is trying to.
Nah, bro. I'm dog. Nah, dog.
Dog,
That's
not seeing me the dog.
That's love. Okay, man, dog.
Dog, me the moment.
Bro, be honest. You know, to laugh, to. How can I expose the heart?
I expose
You can expose my heart. I don't give a fuck.
Okay, say your shit, bro. Because
Dog,
now
dog,
I'm not gonna lie. How do I feel about her?
You love Lambuli, dog. You love Lambuli, dog.
Bro, shit.
You love her, bro.
I want to be honest, dog. I said that's my shorty, dog.
Yeah.
That's all I can say, bro. Lambo, bro. That's my shorty, dog. I said I'd do anything for her, bro. But I know which dog she's bedding out there. But I'd do anything for her, dog. I say she got her qualities and shit. Like,
And I remember asking you, Putsi, who do you choose between her and another chopper? And then you said her.
bro, it's when a man talk, it's what?
I asked you a question, bro, from the first episode. I'm like, bro, who do you choose between your hand Lambuli and another chopper?
Abraham ngikufihlele dog yabona dog say ufuna we clarify this shit dog. Lambul dog is my ex-girlfriend.
Oh.
What does it mean, bro? That shit doesn't mean shit.
I like to clarify dog because they say people out there dog angifuna dog kanza ukuthi cause dog say life is life dog angifuna dog kanza sokucabana nemuntu wakhe because they say listen bra.
Man, let's understand this.
That's why talking. That's why talking. That's why we put it don't cook this shit.
Nakhuluma ngama ex wena.
Okay.
Ex.
Okay.
Okay, yeah,
We can even call it
ex dog
We can even call it ex.
already.
Wait,
we still talking. We tapped in.
we can even call it ex.
Ex dog when I'm khulula be ex yakho. Ex dog by my documents. But spiritual dog, she's still your girl, bro. Something like that.
She loves the girl, bro.
You love the girl.
You love it.
Can you fix things? Man,
Do you want to fix things? Do you want to fix things?
You can fix them, man.
Bro, admit it, bro. Do you love the hand, right?
Mina ngifuni talking exposure. Mina lento ngifuna uyibeka icace, bro.
Bro.
Ngiyive kahle dog.
It's not like we say I'm exposing shit.
Into ngiyive kahle exe yabona dog exe. The cherry layer, bro.
Yeah.
Yabona bra. The cherry layer ex-girlfriend yami dog. Yeah. Angisho angeke bese songibuta nge-ex yami ukuthi do you love that girl, bro? The cherry layer ex-girlfriend yami dog.
Do you still love her? Do you still love her?
Bro,
Do you still love her?
Okay.
Let me ask you, do you still love Lambuli?
Dog mina lengakusho dog exe.
Okay, let's sebenzisa igama lalapha yabo.
Nah, bro.
Bro.
Yeah, but do you still have feelings for her? Do you still have feelings for her?
Except you get lento ni
Wait, bro, do you still have feelings for her?
Ngizoyive kahle dog. Mina with this girl, bro. Akusi ukuthi dog. We have something to fix.
Do you have feelings for her? Do you still have feelings for her?
Yeah,
That is not the question, bro. Do you still have feelings for her?
Bro,
Okay,
except
man,
bro, you're not giving me a chance to answer this shit. Bro, except this hand dog.
Hey.
We chopped our shit dog a long time ago. And things didn't go well, bro. And I'm not blaming anyone. Here's Nguchela now. She's my ex-girlfriend, but dog, we're still talking. Yeah, bro. Ngifuna lento leyo ibe fair dog. Even if dog noma ngabe wena dog you were talking to her. Angendela ukuthi ungatosaba dog khuluma nalombala. Why would I talk to this girl? But I'm still have my feelings for her, bro. Yeah, bro.
So
And they are still talking.
yeah, so in other words, you're saying you don't have feelings for her.
Hey, bro. Hey.
But there's nothing wrong with asking. Dog, dog, you know what you mean? Dog, me noma ngibuta us bro. Angibuta uthi, do I still have feelings for my ex? I would tell him, no, I don't have feelings for her. But if
Okay.
you still have feelings for her,
To cut this story short, bro,
for
I
her.
fuck with my bitch, though.
you have feelings for
Yeah,
her.
I fuck with my bitch.
Yeah. Alright.
But she's my ex-girlfriend. We need to clarify that shit, bro.
That shit doesn't matter.
Ayikho inkinga dog ukuthi yabona ke always sijo. Ayikho inkinga dog ukuthi umuntu ekuse umuntu you can love her from far.
Okay, man, lapho abameleni abuye ekhaya.
Akabu she moved on, dog. That's
Mara
that's
bathi nje ngekwakho nje akufuni nisabuye ekhaya.
bro. She
Yeah.
already have
Yeah.
Isha dog embili.
Embili.
But that home is fair.
Uyaphi dog?
But
Umthanza njalo umshalo ubumonyela umbona ukuthi
but
zama impilo uqhubeka ngempilo.
but that home is fair.
Ubasta Monela.
Ngiva ngathi mina dog except mina dog
Ngibuyisele emuva.
angeke ngicambe manje dog except angimthanda umbala dog ngibe ngimthanda. Umbala ngiyamthanda dog but the fuck you love it.
Nah, bro, I'm listening, bro.
Umntwana cool. Umntwana dog ngiyamthanda bro.
Yeah.
Umthanda ngiyamthanda bro. Ayikabi. Ene uyad now baby ukuthi kuseni. Ngiyahlezi ngifavor but I have to let you go dog. Just like Sandra C washo dog. Ukuthi kuseni nabo uyamthanda mama miyeke la vibe bro uyabo.
Get some cash.
Because ningeke would you mend things with it? I'm not mending anything. I just fuck with the bitch.
Yeah.
But
But
I'm cool with the fact that she's gone. You understand? Okay, ngiyavuma dog ngiyamthanda mshana but good inkinga aka vibe bro because nangithi mina dog I need to fix things.
Yeah. But like let me say,
kubantu dog lomnye umuntu akaba like okay, shothi ngami amagama phantam ufuna back le.
but like let me say,
No,
let me say now, bro.
Ngisho ukuthi mina I'm not beefing the girl but
Yeah.
I am bro. Asilungisi lutho.
Type shit now.
I don't think I won't fix anything, but I still love her, bro.
But like let me say now, everything, all the shit is together, bro. Everything now, dog. Now we're going to a corner, dog. Would you spend on the beach? Would you take care of the beach? Would you wife the beach?
Bro, say I'll skip that question
How
for today. I
How
I have to skip that question dog for today.
No problem, dog.
Yeah.
Gotta skip that
Because
shit.
I've got people out there, bro. I've got baby mama out there.
Yeah.
You know the vibes, bro.
Fuck.
Yeah, you cannot challenge me
But it is. Nah, I'm not challenging you, bro.
But saying admit it, dog, I fuck with that girl. Bro,
Bro,
shout out to Luyanda
Yeah.
Mboli, dog. Come and check her Facebook. She's a peng hand, dog.
because like, dog,
Make sure he's strong like Bantam.
the reason why you're talking about hands to add to some niggas is the reason why they are pushing, is the reason why they are grinding on their shit, so that they can
Get hands.
so that they can so that they can be
Can I ask
seen
you, can I ask you, man?
type shit.
Usena,
Koloma mnake.
nasonemali wena, are you still looking for love? Sonemali. Somnandi.
It's hard.
I always say my niggas.
It's hard.
I always say my
It's
niggas.
hard.
I always tell my niggas in Canada I would say when a minute once as soon as things go well for me, bro. I'm taking a wife dog. I wanna have a family minute dog.
But wait, let me understand you. Utaba urumfat, okay. Jerry.
Which means very cool and handling.
Oh, you already have the hand on mine.
I don't have that hand on mine, but bro. I'm told ish, bro. Okay, ngathi dog. Ufuna lo uyive kahle bro. Sengakhona lapho dog ukuthi sala ngicala ngibuka umle. Yeah, ngasho ukuthi ngiyamthola akusikumthola. Sekuba serious naye because I do talk to girls, bro.
Mara phatsi mara kune bad lifestyle phela la ngephandle sonemali now. Ngaleso sikhathi.
And hands are twerking dog.
Mina yabona mina for mina mafethu.
Twerk akuse bro.
Mina manje. Mina uthando mina love ufuna ngithole manje mina manje.
Yeah.
Anase
That's
kunemali
what-
I don't need love.
that's
If
what-
ngifela manje like right now. Ngingathanda.
That's what Sif said, bro. Or like Sif, dog. If love doesn't find me now, well, like now, bro. I won't give love a chance.
Oh, no,
When I'm rich, shout out to
When I'm
Steve, though.
rich.
I fuck with that line, bro. Shout out to Steve.
But yabona mina dog. Okay,
Shout out to
I cancel
Steve,
look but. But for me dog, mina dog mina I'd love for me dog. That's into the grade. I love for me dog to have a family dog. Say
With who? With your hand.
with a hand dog. I choose dog.
Example.
You'll choose.
Or we choose.
I will choose.
Not here.
I will eat to the beach like now.
Oh, let's deep bro.
I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry.
It's cool, bro. It's good, bro. That's called manning up, dog. Yeah, stating the facts. Yeah.
But like, bro, fuck the shit, bro.
But dog,
But
let me ask you this
see-
shit. Let me cook this shit. Okay, say your shit.
Nah, cool, bro.
Bro, yabona mina dog ake ngifihla cause khona into lenye ngiyibuka ngithi futhi because now sengithole ithuba mngana msihleli ukuthi sengubuthi. You did an interview dog with Angel Nail.
Yeah, I did, yeah.
Yeah, bro. Mina dog ngeke ngize ngicambe mangithi I met Angel. Angel angizazi sengidibane naye. So ngisathandazela ukuthi ish nangamane ngidibane na Angel but he said leyo mhla. So how is it like bro ukuthi kuse to see her bro abe la celeni kwakho like how does it feel because Angel Nail bro she's a peng hand dog.
She's cool, huh?
And Angel Nail dog uyathi wena ukuthi ungasho ukuthi uyitype yamnyana because you know girls dog who've updated back then.
Yeah.
Ibody yawo bro like tiny and shit like that bro. Even my baby na mama dog uyayathi ukuthi kanjani bro. Like
yeah.
how does it feel dog cause so la celeni kwakhe like ene ngifaka ngize ngetana le drama dog le drama le la kayindile yabo into la trend ngathi like how does it feel cause ngibekise nje ukuthi nyalo sengiseceleni kwa all this day ngiyaqala ukubona ngiyaqala nethola lithuba celeni kwakho yebo like how is it like cause Angel Nail bro she did what she did, she's famous as fuck, she's cute dog.
Now bro,
like how does it feel cause ula celeni dog I mean like for you dog
now
ingqondo yakho like ibe-18 dog like
nah the hand is cool like say.
Yeah,
the hand is cool, bro. Dog, like you don't have to, even if dog na I let the gaba like out there, but she's cool, like she's a girl dog.
akanye ukuthi bro mina I'm Angel and she
Nah, like bro, I remember dog I was
when how did Vele you come about the interview le?
no
Like you just talked noma you wavela waconza with Kems.
I was walking, bro, like near Ngulapha by lapha top when you get into the mall like when you crossing by the KFC.
Yeah. Oh wena waqhamuka ngale kubo Pick n Pay and shit.
Yeah, the tunnel lapha la KFC. Labo KFC.
Oh wanyiwa itulo ni Santec. Oh.
The stairs. Masa kwanza sangena like labo KFC ne.
Yeah.
The staircases la yiba.
Yeah. Ngiyabona.
Yeah, I was cool. I was talking to Galitos.
Kalabo Galitos.
Yeah, I was going to Galitos with my nigga. Shout out to Cash Dog.
Yeah.
I was vying with him. They must have said because I was lapha sit lapha. How like Cash Dog? Would you go and do an interview with my hand or like nah no.
And remember boy two dog say and those hands boy two they are passing.
They have influence,
Yeah.
But now like me nah bro. Watch it, that's what I told me type shit. I was like, you know, fuck this shit too or something like that. Dog, it was fair about in the dog already when my camera's very lovely. If I was fair about in the success, yo, what's up? And then dog it. Like I'm not saying the
But what's up talking to ask her about the other stuff and shit.
What do you mean?
Upon the talk I watched me the whole interview and shit.
Did you think I was scared? Nah.
Okay, I have limits, bro. I was that white teams bro. But you got the chance to interview her.
Oh yeah, okay, like yeah.
That's why I need to mean like, how does it feel dog with one and I like because you meaning notice it in the good look. But you get the chance it's what you
Yeah. I feel like talking
when I come and think
I was unprepared though.
Yeah. Oh, I sing
I was unprepared putting them ball. If I very to chill with the food. She got order, bro.
Yeah.
Order for days. Whether you see with the bro, my new dog, but some cutting
would you smash though?
There's a cutting wow too.
Would you smash?
Tinashe and Angel. Oh, smash. I smash the pitch. I smash the pitch for days.
She's a thing hand though.
I was smashing boy dog, my shit.
Shout out to Angel Nelly, bro. Mina ngajabula one day uhlalela mkhathini.
Yeah.
But only God knows, bro.
Shout out to him, bro. But like yo, did you see Bruce Uti? He's in London.
Dog yabo nami into bengisolo ngifuna ukukhuluma ngengusine nodla ngqondo dog uyakhohlwa. Ngibonile Bruce eLondon bro
I think it's pushing though.
Like when they were in like
I don't know. I think
ngizengahlola dog ngathi this shit
This
dog
is scary.
mhlambe iqhamuka with the award and shit.
oh yeah.
Because angithi wathola le award le social media.
Social media type shit, yeah.
Ngiva ngathi this shit cause ngiyinto lemfakile lapha dog. Yeah, shout out to Bruce dog.
Or maybe there was
Where the Bruce wato shoot umhlanga.
yeah.
Ngeke ngihlala ngakhuluma nga Bruce yinja.
Or maybe bro, like he was selected
Yeah.
to vie there
According selected party upronyotwe yini
with the award and shit.
yeah
Or maybe they were seeing the influence
yeah
type shit. But like bro,
so wayekela wayekela khambe
but like-
masmesho pass bro.
but yeah, so but like the other nigga bro, that is crazy. Peanuts bro, Peanuts is crazy. I salute Peanuts bro. Peanuts got influence for days. Yo, Luto Peanuts bro. The kid bro is like 17 years old now. 17 years old bro.
And then he can dance bro.
Bro, he got views for days.
He can dance bro.
Can do a lot of shit bro. You got a kid.
Yeah, I go.
That nigga accept.
Peanuts, bro.
And
Let's get
yeah, and a lot of people,
I
but
don't
see,
understand bro.
That's not.
but it's like Gucci dog. You like you pay. It's a contract.
So you're not going to oversee my contract.
It's a contract. Then you
contract.
you vied with the contract. But see, they were gonna manage your social media. They're gonna give you fame.
Even your gigs.
They're gonna.
But I understand. Let's get this.
They're gonna.
See ambitious.
Yeah,
See ambitious.
That's ambitious, bro.
bro.
that's ambitious, bro.
It's clever.
Bona, they're gonna provide for everything. Bro. You see, this hand, but baby, what me dance I don't know.
Ngilidayile ligama womdanso.
Womdanso, yes.
Sister angisakhumbula ukuthi ngilathela.
And I like it was the same thing. She signed the contract, which like they should operate the social media. Bam manage the type shit, and then bam shoot.
Ngalama magama dog wena lama videos like pulling up on put Peanuts. That shit dog he planning and
Keep planning, bro, for sure.
but that's fire dog.
That's fire, bro.
That's fire dog.
Got a plan for
Nami
everything.
ngayibhadalela into leyo dog.
Mind you, bro, those niggas have money now.
Yeah.
But how does God, bro, say like he give fame to other people, but they are people that are struggling, bro. What the fuck?
If you are not given, take it.
But you can still make a change, bro.
But can you rephrase the question? You say,
Bro, how
Really, man.
does God give something to other people and he doesn't give something to other people? How is it like that, bro?
can you answer the question?
Why is it not be equal, like say, bro?
That's impossible. Understand that now. Yabona nangabe umuntu asebekise nje. Nangabe umuntu neninto lefanayo. Base lo munye yakhona ngene kangcono kunawo. Shothi kwala kwathi kwala ungakwati. That's simple. That's simple. Kwala la kwenda ngcono kunawo. Yethi nendinto yabona. Mara kwala kwathi kangcono kunawo.
But like, bro, I have all the things, bro. I have, let me say, for example, with this content shit. I have cameras, I have my managers, I have everything. Like for dog, I like talking about YouTubers because like King Omar, you see King Omar dog. There's this episode of King Omar. King Omar, bro, the show Live in the City.
Yeah.
Live in the City. Dog, King Omar was enter everything, bro. But the views, bro. They are not viewing. They are not viewing, bro. I like little Peanuts, bro. Oh, go stupid. Who can just pause and say, "I'm the jail bro."
Mara
500K views.
Influence, but what influence?
King Omar
King Omar is the blueprint of
yeah,
YouTube,
understand
bro.
lo muntu wa always bro.
Bro, King Omar is the YouTube. It's like King Omar dog amkhanza e-gaming.
Na YouTube.
Yeah, bro, YouTube. He's in the game even now,
I
bro.
understand ngakuva. Ngaphandle kwe YouTube wenda yini?
He's on YouTube.
Only,
bro.
Uyabona bogosi babhizinga.
Yeah.
Nayo ke into phela bana influence.
Bogus dog. But like dog ineng le backup le backup e cash.
Let me see.
Ngiyibona.
I know some. Phela is a forex trader.
A low key, yeah.
uyatrade
Yeah.
yazi azakhuluma ngeforex ekule match le eshaya ngana namseje that's what thing ngibani uyabe ngifuna kuqala
spin sakit niggas making a lot of cash
yabona mjalo ngisho ukuthi
tell spin sakile that nigga because who this gang like say Brema this gang you see during the times of like Mswengo type shit 2018 2019 those days spin yeah the nigga never go like the chuchiwe dog some shit dog I post something je send my visa fast you see kumele chitere yeah that nigga lelo I mean ngimstay respect sakho langu
amara una influence uyabe ngifuna ukukhuluma ngenza
he does influence do you think he does influence
awuna influence nomjiji uyadwayo uyabona loyo nasikhuluma nje ngabo forex nani amjiji umnandi enepalwa even financial wise nangathi nje influence the reason why ngisena mina kena that swatini sine problem kunebantu abathetshela ukuthi la kule sikhala se-influencer sebavele bapendie something asifaka sebabuka
fuck with this shit
yaba try spin la akavuka kusena claim usena ama influencer leswatini right
bro he can kill a lot of niggas
yebo
mina what I've noticed ngebantu you see ukuthi if you have lokuncane gonna speak a lot you're gonna speak a lot you say bro I have a lot of shit bro but if you have a lot of shit no khulume bro like futhi bro wena ngeke wendisise
but yabona kusela mjidalo naqala akhuluma sike naye here's something I mean bakamnyanya bathi usena swathi yakho la ene phela thina la swathi yabona futhi lesifuna ukuthi promote amajidala tilamba afana nabantu ngco nalaba sibaya bayenda nje bazama kwenda lento labasikena bangito vele bangito
uyangizesha na fuck with that futhi yangizeshi
yangizeshi mina ku notice bro I feel like unayo nale support noma ngaya dog ukuthi uyithatha but you can tell dog ukuthi lo usupported unayo backup
futhi yangizeshi and an effect ukuthi bro even the king loves
and uthola ama gigs lapho
they love yangizeshi bro yangizeshi perform cosini bro
awu secure ke lo mjida bro secure ngale
mjida nangibathi
uphila ukuyovela ilapen boy kubanele dog eksebona khona
yeah boy the man lebatidla bro boy basi is like
but ilapen boy bro mina dog alengakusho ngayo dog angathi ukuthi imali bekathatha music wakhe
donation bro donations what the fuck
donations bro
from the people
won't dog ukuthi ilapen boy dog was tripping dog from the money
bro what the fuck
yo ufika ilapen boy dog kalu promote ma donations and shit already dog uya trip ilapen boy before aqala campaign yakhe dog ikwakela abantu abadala he was already there
already tripping
yeah
but artists angenzi
artists mina
but the music was not musicking back then
yeah everyone said that they go to music
and then bro once waqala the donations things he started popping he started going vacation
the foundation yakhe illegit
mina sekuse yabona afak with ilapen boys girl bro
mina dog you inspired me dog
that galaxy bro
he even had a pen hand
bro the one that break up nayo type shit
what's that
yo bro
oh shit
oh
but ila dog you were the king dog at your time dog. Shout out
spotas basic ila pela na papa p imali nje foundation sustain lama influencers nga our understand mina la swati yero senga trade lo wenza something la swati le legit yebo banenkinga nayo lama influencers lamanye
kahle
talk your shit dog
kusena problem yabona the only influencers la swati yabeva ngasima influencers amanje the giveaway yabona lezi giveaway tena ukuthi ngibonge lapho la laba spinner bona baspina nje mama phandle nani ebawakhe sibona lo tapho manje usale ngespinner that lo wana lo that's why asimele umjitelo we tray spin lo na asasena yena ngi-influencer abe mningi lapha kuma socials nani bantu baba against yena
and kill a lot of
because
niggas.
vele umnandi bro lomshito umnandi bro
Dog, we have we're not crazy. We just fuck with the guy. Dog. As a
The
crazy.
reason why I'm quite dope is just that I'm not tapped in ganga
To him.
forex dope.
Nah, so I was it's not like what you the tip is like bro. Now dog you pushing right now. Never wonder dog like there's something different, man. They know you.
Yeah.
So,
but
it's the same shit. Yeah, we speed. Speed. Yeah, fuck with speed.
Bamnandi yabona mara yaba lamanye ama influencers wethu
Yeah.
I understand us influencer in because
Okay,
they're not making it man
for me it's like it's Spin and Angel.
yabo nje bamnandi
Because-
amabhedi mara amabhedi go nje
Nah, but he's influencing. She's influencing.
yeah
for
you're
sure.
influence
But for me, dog is Spin and Angel. Because Angel bro can go on a live vacation too. Of my
mara
bro.
simfakeni na ila because
Yeah,
Noma ngamfaka mina ngambamba. Mina ngambamba mina ngedwa dog ekuse. Mina dog ikiyado mina there was this clip dog le ngayibona dog but ngabona ukuthi this clip dog it's some fake shit.
Yeah.
Like bomaloyalty test and shit like sebambamba saying that oh bro I wish it was me dog le bambambela yena dog asho sise mina dog ngithi tray even if noma bangasho bomnayeli ukuthi you are influencing shit
Yeah.
mina ngithi fuck that ngithi uyanya ngifuna la mina ngifuna wena face to face yeah
Trey.
futhi noma nakwende ukuthi ubuta ukuthi what did I do to Panja ngifuna wathi ukuthi mina just dissing you for no reason dog I feel like dog ekuse ungepass
Yeah.
kwami ngathi lane bro I feel like dog ukuthi mina ekuse
Top 10 is too much. I said they say top 5, bro.
like making it how like money wise because ngenda dog ube number 1 influencer but you're not getting the bag yabathikendeka
Yeah, for sure. Bro, I kinda good. You can't tell me, bro, you are an influencer, but like you don't have numbers. You don't have even a video in 1K views. You don't even have a video in 5,000 views. But you say you're an influencer, bro.
Okay, maybe abala ama influencers ethu manje yalo sika la ka content creation, ba create ama content.
Yeah.
Yabona ke manje. Okay, they are going somewhere. Maybe ngale content ya. They have content man. Yasibane content man. There's something la bayenda. Pass back then ngani.
Yeah, I'm but that's what I'm saying. You cannot say we're an influencer without content.
Yeah, okay, asibuyele top 10.
Even pictures, bro, is content.
Asibuyele top 10.
singaqala nge-top 10 ngifuna bathi bantu ukuthi Trey Sons dog sak inspiration dog ukuthi uyoshuta lama twins lawa lapha
Oh, for sure. For sure,
you
dog.
know dog ukuthi
See, now we're still gonna bring who's the penguin speech lang one, dog? The other besides engineer.
Anel not Anel
Okay, the two. The name two. Who's other than who?
mina bro you know
Okay. We're still gonna bring Padilla Chester here and Anna Chopper here.
for sure for sure
Yes.
sekhona Billy
Show like bro. Oh, bro, some prema dog.
ngisho ukuthi like sekhona like for real
Ngathi issues necessary. Ngazo business.
Yeah.
Yabona phela
Uhle like pull up, bro.
yabona sebafuna bacisha abangu Walfuls yabona nekufeba
Oh,
yeah ubile nayo le order lo chela
Bella Chester is even popping now, bro. Bella Chester, bro, is switching to Bruce. With Bo.
yeah
I think about popping. Hannes popping, bro. Hey, Hannes popping, bro. Chilling with the big guys, bro. Bosses were Alakin.
I know
With who is this nigga? Oh, from Zanzibar. Who is this nigga? Still Makolite, bro.
yeah
They were making a TikTok video with Still Makolite. Lidhan. Bro, Lidhan is in 20, dog.
I know.
okay top 10 mara pas yabona top 10 lasingambali angu Walfuls
She's from Eswatini, dog.
mara pas angadeserve ukubalwa nalala disababali angu Walfuls it's impossible
nama ngimbali ukuthwala kangwane angimbali
asibane letala Swatini.
Okay, for me.
kufanele kuthi wena shothi wena kufanele kuthi wena ubhala pro jacket ukuthi hayi pro jacket
Wasemzansi. Oh, yeah.
but you have now deep down
But like
ngathi ukuthi wase
It's
America
a different story from
Yeah.
the jacket.
mina ngibuka dog ngibuka ukuthi ukuphi
Oh yeah.
uphila impilo ngobi dog.
Okay.
Bese asingayikhathani
Yeah.
singayikhathani to make an fair example.
Yeah.
Mina dog thina nawe dog. Thina nawe siyazi dog ukuthi mina ngwakuphi.
Yeah.
But deep down uyazi dog ukuthi ngwasenvonjeni.
Type shit.
Because ngiphila envonjeni.
Yeah.
Ngihlala envonjeni, everything I'm doing is envonjeni. Something like wena wathi ukuthi ngwakuphi uyathi ngwakuphi.
Yeah.
But reality uyathi ukuthi ngwasenvonjeni.
Yeah.
But
I
deep
know.
down nasengathi kuyagujwa uyathi ukuthi angisiko wasenvonjeni.
Type
Something
shit.
like that bro. Yabo.
Okay, my top 5 bro, from Eswatini. If people that I feel like bro, for me like they are doing the shit. They are doing the shit, bro. Vendo Kalangayelo, who's this nigga? Okay, let me start with Ilapen Boy.
Yeah.
Because Ilapen Boy, I feel like it's for the culture, bro.
Yeah.
And then anything I try to spin. Shout out to Spin dog. Anything engineer, bro.
Yeah.
Shout out to engineer. Anything bend the Chester, bro. And then the last one. I'm not gonna say Alan Chopper. But like, I feel like Alan Chopper is still new in the game. Sasanga Scobie some shit. But she's a petty though.
Yeah.
She's a petty though. But like Sasanga feel with the level.
The top 5.
Yeah.
Oh, ukutaki.
Yeah.
Bengicabanga ukuthi kuthola ndlela
Okay,
but
I can take it. Mina, I think it's Ilapen Boy. Young Zesh, ngifuna umbana Young Zesh. Amara pass man, top 1. Spinner trader, this guy. But I'm also a forex trader. That's why I mean he's influencing me.
Shout out to you.
Young influencer. Then number 2, it's Ila Young Zesh. Man, M-Nation. Pero wangala speak. Sasa simbali njani ukuthi wasa speak manje. M-Nation. Jothi it's for M-Nation. Ekugcina ngabamba. Yeah, I can go for trade. I'm going for trade. That's why. I'm team trade.
nigga bang your
I'm
shit.
team trade. All the way.
Alright.
Top 5.
So 5, bro.
Elie Pure Bantam dog. Number 5 for me. Always D.
Away.
Away
Appreciate.
bro. Away.
Appreciate.
Number 4, Anile Chopper.
Yeah.
You know the vibes. Number 3, so long as speak, Chama Stout.
Yeah.
Yabo, Putwa Spova in this speech. Yabo. Number 2 most.
Yeah. Number 3.
Number 3.
Number 3.
Number 3. We did 3 man.
Oh, number 4.
Always Chama Stout.
Number 2 now, yeah.
We did 3 man.
Yeah, number 2 now.
Yeah,
Number
but
two
we sang
now.
Anile Chop. Number 2, I'd go for Pure Bantam, you know the vibes.
For sure.
You know the vibes, bro.
Yo.
Every time, yes,
Yo.
say. Yes,
I like the
say.
confidence.
Yes, say.
Yeah, for sure.
Say, bro. Yes,
For
say.
sure.
Yeah,
For
boy.
sure.
Number 1, bro. It's this shit is difficult, bro. Shit is difficult, but for today, I have my reasons, dog. Yeah, I'll give ngamiso.k, dog.
Shout out.
Ngamathi ngamiso.k, bro. Hamba Facebook wakho noma IG session ngamiso.k, bro. Bayathi laba se speak, dog. He's a big influencer, dog. Ever a speak, dog. They can take baneng bangachele speak, dog. Slim why influencers speak. Name, dog. I can name a lot, dog.
Yeah.
Ngamiso.k, dog. Shout out to him, dog.
But those niggas were tapped in, bro. Man, I'll be honest though. Those niggas they did have the influence back then.
Mina bro example even today bro mina ngutshela nga last week dog
Yeah.
last week lapha dog mina I can name a few dog mina bro ngihleli abantwana ngitshela dog ukuthi kuse dog yabona dog mina dog sebengicabanga ukuthi impahla dog nginakuna dog
Yeah.
but dog ngabona dog k dog ngabona I know bro mina bayadla laba se speak dog nang is number 1 ngamiso dog k dog shout out to the nigga dog
So you lefting out his brother though. Scratch Loom.
Scratchile kubala bro anti besibali top 5 dog yeah for this week
I PV with that day.
ingayikhashane dog siyabona ukuthi ubukele ufike lana dog na usabukela dog ngithi angukhumbule dog ukuthi kusena usespeak enfonjeni or
Stay tuned.
dawo dog ufuna kuba fresh enhloko dog uvela uthi shwi dog kasetho dog tamthola VJ aka Mbuso dog but awulu
Type
aba
shit.
fresh dog as low as $40
Yeah.
yeah
blind though. That like ngishilo.
Akufuneki ukhulume kakhulu mina ngithi fika ka second vonjeni bro.
Etbonela dog.
Yatibonela dog. 40 bucks. So ngahlula nge 40 rand.
Make sure you subscribe because I know ukuthi a lot of people out there bro that are watching now. Because we live.